Tesla talks semi-ramp Optimus and Robotaxi rollout with Wall Street. Tesla recently talked about a variety of topics with Wall Street firm Piper Sandler, as the firm released a new note on Friday about their meeting with the company's investor relations team. According to the note from Piper Sandler, Tesla talked in detail about the semi-program Optimus and its potential valuation, given its capabilities, the rollout of Robotaxi in Austin, and full self-driving progress in the United States. Tesla Semi-Ramp. The Tesla Semi is set to enter mass production in 2026 at a dedicated factory near the company's Gigafactory in Reno, Nevada. The Semi has already been in pilot program testing, as Tesla has partnered with a few companies, like Frito-Lay and Pepsi, to perform regional logistics. It has been met with excellent reviews from drivers, and it has helped give Tesla a good idea of what to expect when it makes its way to more companies in the coming years. Piper Sandler said that it is evident Tesla is preparing for a major ramp, but it is keeping its expectations low. We've never expected much from this product, but we'd love to be proven wrong. Tesla is clearly prepping for a major ramp. Tesla Optimus and its value internally and externally. Optimus has been working in Tesla factories for some time, but its expectations as a product offering outside of the company internally have major implications. Its role within Tesla factories, for now, is relatively low, but Optimus is still doing things to assist. By this time next year, Piper Sandler said Optimus should have bigger responsibilities. By this time in 2026, Optimus should be moving staging parts within Tesla's facilities. Outside of Tesla, Optimus could be a major beneficiary for companies, as it could be a more affordable way to handle tedious tasks and manual labor. The firm believes that if Optimus can work 18-hour shifts, a cost of $100,000 per unit would be justified. Tesla Robotaxi expansion. The big focus of the firm with Robotaxi was Tesla's expansion of the geofence in Austin this week. It was substantial, bringing the Robotaxi's total service area to around 170 square miles, up from the roughly 90 square miles that rival Waymo is offering in the city. Tesla Robotaxi geofence expansion enters plaid mode and includes a surprise. Tesla has doubled its geofence 3 times since its launch in late June, and it also revealed that its fleet of vehicles has expanded by 50%. It did not give a solid number of how many vehicles are operating in the fleet. Tesla full self-driving V14 launch. Tesla's full self-driving suite is set to have a fresh version, V14, rolled out in either September or October, and there are some pretty high expectations for it. CEO Elon Musk said, "The FSD release in about 6 weeks will be a dramatic gain with a 10x higher parameter count and many other improvements. It's going through training and testing now. Once we confirm real-world safety of FSD 14, which we think will be amazing, the car will nag you much less." There is also some expectation that V14 could be the public release of what Tesla is running in Austin for Robotaxi. The firm confirmed this in their note by stating it should enable Tesla owners to use software that is on par with Robotaxis in Austin. The only real holdup would be regulator skepticism, but Tesla can alleviate this with strong data. The firm maintained its overweight rating and the $400 price target it holds on the stock. Source: reposted and summarized from Joey Klender at teslarati.